Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So first we'll be making the ponytail. Now fold it upward and then put the bun pin. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the hairpins to make the bun. Spread it a little bit, fix it using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail and then rotate the hairs from the between like this by making a space. After rotating it, we will spread the hairs from the downside and then tie it from the between and then fold it like this. Now after that, fix it on the right side like this using the bun pin and fix it. And it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now after rotating it, tie the ponytail. Now after tying the hairs, divide it from the between and then we will fold it upward like this, spread the hairs and fix it. Fold the hairs carefully and fix it on the top using the bun pin and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs, tie it using the rubber band and then after that we will fix the hairs in the between. Fold it like this in the between and fix it inside the hairs. Cover the hairs from the top and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this on the back as shown in the video using the hair clip. Now take the hairs from the left side, roll it and then fix it inside the hair clips one by one as shown in the video. Fix it in the between and the side as well. Take small sections to fix the hairs, roll it and fix it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we'll be making the ponytail and then fix it on the top by putting the bun pin. Now roll it down and tie it like this from the downside. Now after that, we will tie it from the end and then fix it using the hair clutch over it. And your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs like this and then tie it by rolling it. Fix it inside the hair clip. Now after fixing the hairs, take the hairs from the sides, roll it and then fix it inside the hair clips like this on the sides as well. Fold it carefully and roll it. Now after rolling it, fix the hairs and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the ponytail and fix the bun stick. Now after that, roll the hairs along with the bun stick and then we will fold it upward and make a bun. Fix it tightly after folding it on the top and your bun is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hair clip and fix it on the hairs. Now take the hairs from the sides, roll it and fix it inside the hair clips one by one like this. Fold it and fix it on the sides and the between first and then take the hairs from the sides and fix them on the sides. Fix it for the other side as well and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be tying the ponytail and then fix the hairs like this. Now after that, roll the hairs and then fold it upward and fix it by spreading the hairs and the bun pin like this. Spread it like this and fix it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs on the back and make a ponytail. So first, make a ponytail like this and then fix the hairs by tying the rubber band. Now after that, we will tie the hairs by pulling it back and rotate it. Now fix it in the half and then fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we'll be taking the hairs and make a ponytail like this. Now roll it and then fold it upward to make a bun. Fix the hairs as shown in the video. Now roll it like this and then fix the hairs and put the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. So first, using the hair fingers, we will roll it upward like this. Now after that, we will fix it using the bun pin on the top. Hold it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Thanks for watching our video.